Hi. Today I just want to teach you some basic vocabulary about probability distributions. Now, to distribute something is to hand it out. On the first day of class, I distribute a syllabus to all my students. You could get a box of donuts and distribute them to your friends. And a probability distribution, when we do an experiment, we can examine the way probability is handed out among all possible outcomes. There are two main kinds of probability distributions: discrete and continuous. Now, you may have heard the word discrete spelled like this. This means hidden, quiet. That's not the kind of discrete we're talking about. In fact, we're not going to be discrete at all. We're going to be very loud about probability distributions. So basically, discrete is a variable that can only be whole numbers, that can only be specific values. Continuous is something where fractions are reasonable. A discrete variable asks someone how many. Continuous asks how much. This is counted. This is something we just measure. Let's look at some examples. How many children do you have? You might have none, you might have two. You probably don't have a fractional number of children. This is discrete. Continuous might be, how much do you weigh? Could someone buy half a pound of flour? Sure. Discrete might be, how many days a week did you go to the gym this week? And continuous might be, how many minutes did you spend at the gym this week? Because it could be a fraction. Discrete. How many times did you watch this video? Continuous. How many minutes did you spend working on your homework this week? How tall are you? It's continuous. Someone's height could be a fraction. How many people are in the room? It's discrete. It can't be a fraction.